Well, hi everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here after a stormy night last night. We are in store for a pretty quiet day today. A lot of sunshine will return as clouds are exiting out right now. As of 7 o'clock, it's just about 7 here now, 6:59 in the morning here. So pretty quiet day today. A little toasty though, a little on the humid side as well, but there are several more chances of thunderstorms to talk about in the coming days ahead of us here. So let's take a look at our futurecast here. Showers and storms have pretty much moved out of here, so futurecast is already a little overdone for parts of Kansas there, but that's already cleared out of here. Clouds will clear out, lots of sunshine for today. The only chance of thunderstorms I really could see in the forecast is close to a stalled out frontal boundary. I would say a line from about Omaha to Lincoln to Hebron to Mankato, Kansas, and southeastward. Maybe some late afternoon or early evening showers and thunderstorms. The other chance would be out in the panhandle of Nebraska or northeast Colorado late this afternoon or this evening. And then overnight tonight, we'll see thunderstorms that'll start to press eastward across the area. Probably not until after midnight for the Tri-Cities. Now, I know this futurecast product is not showing much activity, but other models do show some strong to severe thunderstorms. I don't think it'll be quite as widespread as what we had overnight last night. And this also could be a late night affair. We're talking about after midnight, those moving through, and that could continue to early tomorrow morning. Pockets of heavy rainfall are possible. Again, a little bit of isolated severe storm activity is also possible. Now, as we head into tomorrow's weather will actually be very determined by how things play out overnight tonight. Depends on where those outflow boundaries are. We do have a warm front that starts to lift back north into the area tomorrow, and we could see strong to severe thunderstorms develop, but forecast models are kind of all over the place with where exactly this happens. I'll tell you right now, the best chance is going to be the eastern part of the state, but farther west, central western Nebraska, there's still a chance of some strong to severe thunderstorms by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And then once we get later in the night, likely after midnight, many of these will start to make their way out of the area, and that'll take us into much quieter conditions for Friday, a little cooler and not as much humidity for your day on Friday as well. So let's look at the Storm Prediction Center's outlooks for today first off, and then we'll show you tomorrow in just a bit. Now, the best chance of severe weather is going to be over in Iowa. There's an enhanced risk there, and even in the far eastern part of the state around Omaha, Nebraska City. I mentioned that first chance, though, far southeast Nebraska, northeast Kansas, maybe parts of north central Kansas, and then the rest of us overnight tonight we'll see a chance of some strong to severe thunderstorms. Now, a better chance in the southern half of Nebraska, northern Kansas, compared to the northern half of Nebraska. Initially, some of those storms, maybe some large hail, then more of a damaging wind threat later on in the night. Not expecting the severe weather to be as widespread as last night, but still certainly is a possibility. Then tomorrow, and again, there are a lot of questions still, but there are a lot of dynamics in place for a decent severe weather day out there from about the Tri-Cities and eastward, and that's why you have that enhanced risk of severe weather for those locations there, with still a chance off towards the north and to the west of seeing some severe weather tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Now on to today's weather. Pretty quiet out there for today. Mainly sunny up north, mid to upper 80s to around 90 degrees. Not as much wind for today. Most places only 5 to 15 miles per hour. Low to mid 90s out west, mainly sunny skies. Almost all of the south will be dry today. Again, there's that small chance of a thunderstorm, say around the Mankato area. Otherwise, mainly sunny, low to mid 90s for highs. And again, maybe some late day thunderstorms in the far southeast. You're also looking at low to mid 90s for afternoon highs. So a little toasty out there. A little cooler tomorrow with the extra clouds around. But again, the temperatures will kind of be determined by who sees rain and who doesn't. I capped off that chance of thunderstorms at about a 50-50 chance. I just don't have enough confidence to go higher than that right now, even though there are some models that have a good chance of thunderstorms. Others do not. But again, watch that severe weather threat tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. A breezy, somewhat cooler day for Friday, not as humid out there for Friday. Saturday, a touch warmer. Then Saturday night, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Sunday looks like a very interesting day. A little more heat, more humidity out there, and there is a decent setup for some severe weather for Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. And in fact, this may be one of our best rain chances and severe weather chances of the next 5 or so days ahead of us here. Certainly something to watch for as we get closer to the second half of the weekend. Monday, still a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms, a touch cooler in the mid-80s. Tuesday, Independence Day, looking quiet for now, and I don't see many changes to that in the forecast. So right now, mostly dry. Temperatures back into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. A little bit of summertime heat, pretty typical weather for this time of the year. So again, watching those severe weather threats the next couple of days. But again, as I stressed, most of us will be quiet for the daytime hours today. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Kleneski. Hope you all have a great Wednesday, and God bless.